lugar kung saan may salientan.
GREATMAN taught me two things: respect and kindness. Respect in a way that no matter how many struggles you're facing in, you just have to stand up and keep moving forward. Kindness in a way that no matter how cruel the world is, you still have to show the goodness from the heart. And now, in my comeback journey, already embodying those aspects, I am now ready to share my story and my experience to the world. Thank you.
Everybody put your hands together for Moncada Carla.
Bukana Carla!
GREATMAN for me is generally being a human who, despite every challenges in their life, and I believe that whenever challenges that your life will face off, any failures and obstacles that you encounter in your life, you will overcome it. And by this, as a great man, this is your opportunity to overcome it. And if you want to become a great person, this is me. Be a great man. Thank you so much.
Bukana Carla!
Up next, we have Tarlac Province.
Tarlac Province!
As a great man of the University of Tarlac Province, I know the transformative power of fitness persons. Once I was struggling with my weight, I discovered the benefits of physical activity and became determined to help others. Now, I am passionate about championing the youth through fitness and sports, fostering resilience, disciplines, and teamwork. Through advocacy and community engagement, I inspire Filipino youth to adopt healthy lifestyles, pursue their passions, and become confident leaders. Let's empower the next generations together. Thank you.